Nature's greatest artist. Satin Bowerbird. The male sex is the master of showing off and attracting attention. By building a beautiful and artistic gazebo, he shows interest in forming a family with the female gender. The male satin bowerbird chooses an open and secluded space, builds small pergolas from branches and grass stems, and decorates them with anything he finds attractive in the forest. Flowers, seeds, and in their absence, even metal doors and shiny soda cans may be added to this design. A female hen who sees this artistic and beautiful work mates with its maker and then leaves the male to take care of the chicks alone. There are several species of hens living in the wild. It is interesting to know that the more colorful the male's body is, the brighter colors he uses to build the gazebo. The skin of the male satin bowerbird falcon is bright blue, which is why his favorite color is blue. In building a gazebo to attract the female's attention, if the male hen fails to find blue flowers and fruits, he goes to the garbage humans have left in nature. Male satin bowerbirds often steal numerous decorations from competitors' pergolas and add them to their pergolas. The gazebo this chicken makes is north-south and decorated with a carpet of small, beautiful pieces, most of which are blue. This blue carpet extends to the entrance of the gazebo. This hen uses 36 different decorations in her nest. These decorations consist of different colors, which include 35% white, 25% purple, 20% blue, 15% purple, and 5% purple and yellow. This chicken can build this beautiful gazebo in just 2 days. Endurance swimming champion. Leatherback turtle. This fast and powerful swimmer is the largest reptile on Earth and the fastest reptile we know. His broad fins and elongated body make him able to defend his championship title in endurance swimming even in very cold waters. Unlike most reptiles, this turtle can produce high heat in its body, and it is this remarkable heat that ensures the performance of its muscles at the highest possible level. To provide this central heat in their body, they spend almost all their waking hours swimming. His diet is based entirely on jellyfish. Despite other members of the turtle family, which have a strong bony shell, the shell of the leatherback turtle is formed from a hard and rough skin layer. This reptile has an extraordinary way of camouflage that goes back to the contrast of colors and the light and dark spectrum of its body. The more we move from the varnish to his belly, the lighter and darker the body becomes. The leatherback looks like a vague shadow in the dark water to large predators who see it from above, and if it is seen from below, it will be like a reflection of sunlight. Leatherbacks rest less than 15 minutes a day. Champion of running on water. Basilisk lizard. In the flooded forests that are the habitat of these hooded lizards, predators can lurk from the top of the trees to the depth of the water that covers the forest. In such a situation, running on stagnant water, that too with 2 sharp feet, seems to be the fastest way to escape. These lizards are also known as Jesus Christ lizards. The reason for that, as you can guess, is a story from the Bible about Christ walking on water. The only thing is that basilisk lizards run faster on the surface than they want to walk on water. The basilisk lizard's legs are highly specialized for running on water. The hind legs of this reptile are unusually large and covered with patches of skin on the sides. These extra skin patches are collected when the basilisk lizard moves on land. But when he enters the water, they open to maximize the contact surface of the feet with the liquid and increase the chances of the basilisk staying afloat. Every step that a basilisk lizard takes on water consists of 3 steps. During the first stage, the hind legs go directly into the water, causing air bubbles to form around them. In the second stage, the lifting force created in the first stage will keep the lizard's body on the water's surface. In the final stage, this reptile will push itself forward by pushing its legs back. Each foot makes very short contact with the surface of the water to propel the basilisk forward and prevent it from drowning. Many small insects can easily float on the surface of stagnant water, and the surface tension of the water resists their small weight well and keeps the insect on the surface. But basilisk lizards are too heavy for the surface tension of the water to prevent them from drowning. The only way for these reptiles to stay on the surface is to run on the water with minimal foot contact, leaving a trail of suspended water droplets in the air. The air bubbles under the feet keep the basilisk floating on the water's surface.